Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KESPOR K7 Rear Carry Rack Shimano 7-speed folding bike for adults. This folding bike from KESPOR comes with a durable and enduring aluminum frame with an easy mechanical folding system. The folding 7-speed level bike with the back TZ50 Shimano derailleur, Shimano freewheel, and twist Shimano shifters offer a high-standard gear system for a smooth ride. The disc brakes ensure that you can rapidly put the product to a halt if there are any emergencies. This folding bike is perfect for daily commuting, boating, camping, and RV. It is easy to fold and store products that you can place in a small closet, apartment, office, and car. This 26x31x14 inches HXWXL folding-sized bike comes in a completely assembled condition that is ready for shipping to your doorstep. The maximum weight-bearing capacity of this bike is up to 230 pounds and is suitable for a user's height range of 5 feet to 6 feet tall. It comes with a comfortable seat, carry rack in the back, and front fenders, white protector, magnet catcher, and folding pedals. Moving on at number 4, we have the Xiaofu folding electric bike. This folding bike from Goplus is a perfect transportation device for your daily use. It is made from an aluminum alloy frame. It has a dolphin-shaped design, which gives it sleek look. It comes with a double-layer aluminum alloy wheel. It has a 350W motor with a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. The battery has a mileage range of 20 km and 132 pounds and 17 km and 165 pounds. The battery takes 3 hours or less to charge fully. The rear disc brake of this folding bike provides great stopping power. It has a waterproof range that provides protection when it rains. It comes with a front headlight, rear braking light, and horn for safe night riding. This folding bike can carry weight up to 265 pounds. It includes a Bluetooth system that supports Android above 4.3, iOS 8. It features an ergonomic anti-slip handle. At number 3, we have the Schwinn Adapt 3 folding bike. The Adapt 3 folding bike from Schwinn is perfect for urban commuters and city riders. It comes with a lightweight alloy frame. It has 20-inch wheels constructed using alloy, which delivers smooth and riding even on rocky surfaces. The tires come with full wrap fenders, which makes durable and resilient. The 9-speed SRAM X5 shifters which are excellent for trail to street enthusiasts. The folding mechanism is quick, shrinking the bike to half its size in a way that allows you to roll it for short distances. It comes with a rack and a bell. This folding bike is available in gloss red, silver color. It can be easily stowed in the trunk of a car or a closet. At number 2, we have the Eahora X5 Pro folding electric bike. The Eahora X5 Pro from Eigso is a powerful and cost-effective all-terrain electric folding bike. The frame is made from aluminum alloy, which is corrosion-resistant. It comes with 20-inch 4.0 fat tires, which are anti-puncture and anti-slip. This folding bike has Shimano 7-speed shifter that works in both electric and pedal assist modes. With 500W brushless motor, you can reach speed up to 28 miles per hour. It features a 48-volt battery that has a range of 45 to 80 miles depends on riding mode. The battery fully charged in 4 to 5 hours. This folding bike includes an electronic anti-theft lock and smart LCD screen. It can hold weight up to 330 pounds. The headlight will automatically light on at night. And finally at number 1, we have the Goplus 20 inches folding bike. This folding bike from Goplus is lightweight and has a smooth ride. It is made from a steel frame that is known for its affordability and sturdy nature. It can carry weight up to 178 pounds. It has 7 speed gears and a rear derailleur that provides a seamless change in speed without too much effort. The non-slip tires ensure safety. This folding bike comes with front and rear V brakes to ensure more reliable stopping power. It has BS reflectors that make it safe form of transportation. This folding bike offers adjustable handlebars and seat, which makes it adjustable to use. Its foldable design makes easy to transport and stores easily. It features an ergonomic anti-slip handle. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.